Hello everyone, my name is Jacob with Classic Trim Parts, and I will show you how to replace the center console push button. That's the button on the side right here on the R129s that will open up the center console. Many people replacing this button will have nothing there at all. If you do have a button, you could use pliers to remove the last bits of it. But if you don't have anything there, you could use a small tool, screwdriver, flathead, and just stick it into the slot, and you'll press up against a latch. I'll get a close-up of it, but there's a latch right here that when you push it, it unlocks the front here so it opens up. This is the latch on the top here that when you press it, it will release the front that locks it shut, so you'll be able to open the center console once that is pressed. So we have these brand new buttons available on our website, classictrimparts.com. We have all of the interior colors. You could also purchase a new set of springs because typically the springs will either be missing or no good anymore. But you just put the springs on the prongs right here, and inside you can see there's two slots for the prongs, and just slide the button in, and then these tabs on the side are what will have to be pressed in to lock it in place. So you could either push it in, use one side at a time, or come from the opposite side and try to push them together just to get those tabs in. But that's how you'll replace the button there. So there is the button all replaced again. It pushes, and once you close it, it will unlock the center console again. So you could find these parts on classictrimparts.com, both the button and the springs to go with it. Thank you for watching.